Jean-Marie Vianney Sebanani is one of the drivers of RURA Express, and he is excited about starting work on Monday after spending 2 months off the job. We parked these vehicles at this car wash from the 21st of March. When they told us that we are going to stop working, I was coming here to warm up the vehicles because parking them for so long can cause some damage. We are ready for this indeed, and we will work with the government in following the strategies while doing our work. Generally, the drivers are saying that it is not only coming back to work, but they also understand their responsibilities in following measures that are meant to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. As a passenger comes, we'll first check if he's wearing a mask as required, because the rules ask us to wear face masks. Another thing, as employees in this tax park, we are required to be having water and soap so that a passenger washes his or her hands before entering the vehicles. The passengers are saying that the reopening of the transport between the provinces and Kigali city is one thing, and coronavirus prevention is another thing that requires a certain understanding. I am really ready for it because it will be like coming back to normal life. But the most important thing to do in order to maintain the prevention of this virus is to keep following the required rules as we limit the coronavirus from spreading. What we should be more concerned about is to leave 1 meter between one another. Another thing is that before entering the bus, we should first wash our hands. In the resuming of the transport between provinces and Kigali city, the buses will drive half full, which means more buses must operate on the same routes. That is why we put more effort in the prevention of the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, so that we get those 72 vehicles that you're seeing. That is what we strive for, to see how we can make it to reach curfew while all people are at home. We will add another 118 vehicles so that we solve the passengers' problems that will be solving slowly by slowly. The general manager in charge of transport regulation at RURA, Tony Kuramba, has said that as the transport between provinces and Kigali city are about to start, the drivers should follow the measures effectively in preventing COVID-19. They will be driving with half their buses empty so that people maintain 1 meter distance between them while avoiding the spread of COVID-19. That is why bus fares will be a little higher to help buses operators maintain their operations while efforts to fight the virus are ongoing. And then things could change later depending on the situation. If and when they are allowed to carry their usual number of passengers, we will again see how the prices can change. Currently, I can't really tell you the prices, but they're preparing them and we will officially announce them later. Transport between the provinces and Kigali city was suspended on the 21st of March as a lockdown was imposed to fight the spread of the coronavirus.